The Pet Show. In a small American town in the 1950s, life is peaceful and friendly. The sun shines on neat houses and clean streets. Children play in yards, and neighbors greet each other with smiles. At the local community center, something exciting is about to happen. People gather, chatting happily.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for coming. I have a special announcement.
I wonder what Mrs. Johnson will say.
Maybe it's about the summer picnic.
Mrs. Johnson stands in front of the crowd, her face beaming with excitement.
This year, we will have our first neighborhood pet show.
The crowd buzzes with excitement. Children and adults alike start talking animatedly.
A pet show. That's awesome. I will enter with Whiskers.
Whiskers is Tommy's pet hamster, a little ball of fur with bright eyes.
Everyone is welcome to join. Bring your pets and show off their unique talents.
People begin to imagine the fun. Dogs barking, cats purring, and even birds chirping fill their thoughts.
That sounds wonderful, Mrs. Johnson. Tommy, we need to prepare Whiskers.
Yes, Mom. Whiskers will be the best.
Around town, the news spreads fast. Everyone starts talking about their pets.
I'll bring my dog, Rex. He can do tricks.
My cat, Daisy, is the prettiest cat in town.
Tommy heads home, thinking about how to make Whiskers stand out.
We need to think of a cool trick, Whiskers. Something no one else can do.
Whiskers looks at Tommy, twitching his tiny nose.
Maybe Whiskers can run through a maze. We can build it together.
That's a great idea, Dad. Let's do it.
The next day, Tommy and his dad gather materials for the maze.
Whiskers will be the star of the show.
All over town, people are busy preparing. The pet show promises to be a great event.
I'm so glad to see everyone so excited. It's going to be a wonderful day.
Posters go up, and children talk about it at school. The pet show is the main topic everywhere.
Are you coming to the pet show? Whiskers and I will be there.
Yes. I can't wait to see all the pets.
Anticipation grows as the day of the pet show draws near. Pets and owners prepare for a day of fun and pride. The town buzzes with a sense of community and shared excitement, all thanks to the pets that bring them together. Tommy is in his backyard with Whiskers, practicing a special trick.
Come on, Whiskers. You can do it. Go through the maze.
Whiskers scurries through the maze, making Tommy clap with joy.
Good job, Whiskers. You're going to be a star.
Meanwhile, a new girl, Emily, quietly watches from her window, holding a small cage with a hidden pet.
Emily, are you going to the pet show?
Maybe, Mom. I'm not sure yet.
In the park, other kids are practicing with their pets.
Look, my puppy can fetch.
And my parrot can talk. Say hello, Polly.
Hello, Polly.
Everyone laughs and shares tips on training their pets.
Hey, that's cool. Want to see Whiskers' maze trick?
The children gather around, watching Whiskers.
That's amazing, Tommy. Whiskers is so clever.
As Tommy and Whiskers practice, a small problem arises.
Oh no, where's Whiskers? He's gone.
Panic rises in Tommy's heart as he looks around.
Don't worry, Tommy. We'll help you find him.
The children start searching the park, calling for Whiskers.
I hope they find him.
After some tense moments, Whiskers is found, safe and sound, behind a bush.
Whiskers. I was so worried. Thank you, everyone.
The sense of community strengthens as the kids smile and pat each other's backs.
We're all friends here, Tommy. We help each other.
Emily watches the scene, feeling a warm sense of belonging.
Maybe I should join them. My pet is special too.
Back at home, Tommy gives Whiskers an extra treat.
Looks like you made some good friends today, Tommy.
Yes, Mom. And Whiskers is a hero.
The day ends with everyone more excited than ever for the pet show.
Whiskers, we're going to have so much fun at the show.
The town sleeps, dreaming of pets and the fun day ahead. The day of the pet show has arrived. The local park is buzzing with excitement, decorated with colorful banners and balloons. Pets of all shapes and sizes gather with their owners, wearing their best collars, bows, and even little hats.
This is our day, buddy. Let's show them what you can do.
The judges, local town figures, take their seats, ready to be amazed.
Welcome to our first neighborhood pet show. Let the fun begin.
One by one, pets and their owners perform. There are dogs doing tricks, cats gracefully walking on leashes, and birds singing.
Fetch, Max.
The puppy fetches the ball amid cheers.
Polly, what's 2 plus 2?
4.
Everyone claps and laughs, enjoying the show.
Come on, Whiskers. It's our turn.
Tommy sets up the maze. Whiskers scurries through perfectly. The crowd cheers.
Good job, Whiskers!
Suddenly, all eyes turn to Emily, the new girl, as she steps forward with a cage.
This is my pet, Daisy.
She opens the cage, and out comes a small turtle with a paintbrush attached to its shell.
Daisy can paint.
The turtle moves across the paper on the ground, creating colorful strokes. The crowd is in awe.
Wow, a painting turtle. That's so cool.
The judges whisper among themselves, impressed by the unique talents.
Now, it's time for the awards.
Prizes are given out: best trick, most obedient, and more.
For the most unique pet, the award goes to Emily and Daisy.
Emily beams with pride, holding Daisy carefully.
And for best bond, Tommy and Whiskers.
We did it, buddy!
The crowd claps, celebrating the special bond between pets and their owners.
Your hamster is amazing. I'm glad I joined the show.
Thanks, Emily. Daisy is awesome too.
As the day ends, the event is declared a huge success.
Thank you, everyone, for making this day so special. Our pets truly bring us together.
The sun sets on the park, filled with happy faces and wagging tails.
This was the best day ever.
The pet show not only showcased the talents of pets, but also the love and care they receive from their owners. It's a day to remember in the little town. Thank you for watching.